Hi guys, my name's Farah and I'm a neuroscientist here at Neuroelegance, so welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Lumiderma facial and showing you how to use our Lumiderma LED Face Mask. So if you've already got one or thinking of buying one, then this is a really good video to see how the product works. So this is the Lumiderma LED Face Mask. This is how it comes. It's a beautiful sort of like rigid box, so really nice for yourself or if you're gifting anyone. And I'm going to show you how the product comes and what's inside, what you get with it. So the first thing you get is this amazing charging stand. So you can put the charging wire in here and plug it in, and your mask, your Lumiderma, which is this one, will sit beautifully into there. So it's really amazing. So that's one of the accessories. With the Lumiderma, you also get an extra neck attachment as well. And rather than fiddling around, which I'll show you a little bit later in more detail, but it sort of magnetically attaches onto the mask as well. And there you go. So it's really seamless. To sort of show you a close-up of the mask, this is what it looks like on the inside. So it's really nice. It's got the sort of control functions on the side over here, as you can see. So it's got the button for on and also the button for mode. So you would just press and hold to switch it on, and the product will switch on, which is great. And then to sort of just move through the modes, you would just click again and just tap it, and it will just start changing through the mode. So there's 3 modes on here, and I'll go through them in more detail when I do the facials and show you the facials. You've got the 2 straps here as well. So you've got one that will attach over the top of your head, and you've got one that kind of secures it more into the middle of it. The good thing about these is you don't have to put them in yourselves. They come already attached. So when you are putting the mask on, there's no risk of these like just flipping off or anything. The other great thing about the mask as well, I'll switch the LED off so you can see in more detail, is it's got built-in eye goggles here. So a lot of people ask us about, can LED light damage your eyes? To sort of avoid anything like that, we have built-in goggles in all our products, especially the Lumiderma, and they're made from sort of this high grade silicone, so it's really soft, really comfortable, and it also protects your eyes. And this is something that some of the competitors and other masks don't have, and they are quite a high price point as well. So yeah, amazing. And we've also got extra silicone protectors here to sort of make it more comfortable on the face as well. So this is a new mask, so I haven't removed the sort of protective covering and everything, so you'd just remove that over there, and you'd remove it from here as well, which is quite satisfying when you get a new product. So you can just remove it like that and get the shiny rose gold face. And it's also got a little slit here, so it makes it sort of less claustrophobic and makes it really nice and comfortable for you as well. So that's the kind of Lumiderma. We're you know, giving you a little bit of a close-up of the product and how it sits and works. In terms of the product itself, the wavelengths and the colours of light, it has 4 different wavelengths in there. So it's got the near infrared, the red LED, the blue LED, and the orange LED. So they all do different things. They are integrated in the mask in different modes. The red and the near infrared will always come on together. The near infrared is a light at 830 nanometers. You usually can't see that with the you know, human eye, and it's integrated with the red, which is at 630 nanometers, and that's the one that you will predominantly see in the mask, but they both work together, and that's because research has shown that they do really well together. Those 2 lights are for your anti-aging concerns and your collagen, so that will be your collagen boosting, your repairing your elastin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, improving skin texture, improving pigmentation. So it works on quite a wide variety of skin concerns, and that's because those 2 lights penetrate into the dermis layer of your skin. So we'll go into more depth about red light and near infrared in a separate video, but on this one I'm just going to keep it short. The next light on here is the blue LED. So the blue LED is really popular for clients that are wanting your more anti-acne, blemishes, spot-prone skin treatment. And then the last sort of LED we've got in there is the orange LED. So I don't know, you may have heard some bits about it, may not. It is an up-and-coming LED. So the other three lights that I've talked you through are all clinically proven LED lights, and they've got so much research on them. Orange, green, yellow, they are also up and coming in the industry, and lots of research going on about them. So the orange LED light works to sort of brighten your skin tone, improve lymphatic drainage, and brighten sort of dark patches and dark marks as well. So those are the sort of wavelengths in the Lumiderma. We will be doing individual videos on each of the lights that I've just mentioned. So if you want to like deep dive into each individual LED light or therapy, then just keep an eye out for those videos where we'll be giving you a lot more information on sort of each skin concern and how it works on each skin concern. So what I'm going to do now, now that I've shown you the product and gone through everything, I'm going to show you how to do some of the facials that you can do with Lumiderma. So as I said earlier, there's 3 facials that you can do with the Lumiderma. So you've got the Lumiderma facial, which is a signature facial. So that's 20 to 25 minutes. And then you've got the anti-blemish treatment, and then you've got the energizing facial. So they're all preset into the mask. If you want to use just a specific light for 10 minutes and then, you know, stop it and you don't want to do the full treatment, then you can do. Because each light rotates, you just select which light you want. So if I want, say for example, I want the blue light, I'd just go back to the blue mode and I keep it on my skin, and then as soon as the 10 minutes are over, I'd just switch it back off. So rather than doing the full cycle, I would just keep on the blue light, and you do the same with the red, near infrared and the orange. So if you want quick treatments, you can do, or you can follow the preset modes. The reason why we have the preset modes in the mask is because sometimes people use LED light therapy and say, oh, we didn't get the results that we needed, or you know, it didn't work. And that's because sometimes people aren't using the lights for in the correct way with the correct treatment protocols. So we've given you, if you're looking for anti-aging, you'll do the Lumiderma facial. If you're looking for more spot prone skin, you'll do the anti-blemish mode. So that gives you, make sure that it gives you the best and effective results from the mask. So thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I really hope you found some helpful advice, hints and tips, and also how to use the Lumiderma LED face mask.